The Adventure Cove River Rapid boats are now testing, the new wave swinger ride is being tested, a queue line has been installed for the new ride, and we now have an announcement on what will be opening in the first stage of Adventure Cove. Join me for yet another Adventure Cove Drayton Manor theme park update. So firstly, Drayton Manor have announced what is opening in the first stage of Adventure Cove. This is what Drayton Manor have put on their website. We're thrilled to announce that Adventure Cove #1 will feature wave swinger, Tidal towers and chicken diner. Keep your eyes peeled for an opening date, coming very soon. To be honest, I thought that they would have opened all of the new rides together, such as the Adventure Cove River Rapids. However, the rapids are not included in the first wave. This could be due to the rapids not being fully complete or other problems. It's very exciting news, and very soon we'll be getting an opening date for Wave 1 and maybe even Wave 2. Moving on from that, testing has been taking place on the River Rapids. However, it's not just water testing that's taken place, the new Intamin 9-seater boats are also being tested. Now the videos playing now are from theme park vids and are a little blurry due to the shockwave station's windows being very dirty. However, you can still see the testing taking place. Alongside that, announcements were heard being played in the station of the River Rapids that sounded a bit like this. I am quite surprised that all of the new attractions and rides, such as Wave Swinger, River Rapids and Tidal Towers, are not just opening all together, but nonetheless I am very excited to ride these new River Rapids, hopefully very soon. The next update is based on the brand new ride in the area, that of course being Wave Swinger. This brand new ride has been seen testing and it sure does look fantastic. The operator box, which I said in my previous video looks like a garden shed from B&Q, has now been painted up and it looks 100 times better. The area around the ride is now being landscaped and theming is being added. Around the ride, fencing has been built to act as part of the queue line. Concrete is also being added to the ground around the ride and on the ride platform. Before I wrap up the video, other updates from around Drayton Manor Park include the new Thomas & Friends 4D bubbling boilers is now open to the public in the 4D cinema. While COVID restrictions are mostly gone, the haunting still remains closed. However, I would like to see it open very soon as it's one of my favourite UK haunted houses. So there we go, another very exciting Adventure Cove Drayton Manor theme park update. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing, as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now!